We got a really special Bronco today. In 1976, it was commissioned and built by Vintage Broncos out of Georgia. That's what they do. They specialize in making modern classics. This is upgraded with a 347 stroker, overdrive, power windows, the running board that comes out when you open the door. So cool. Not only are the seats heated, the rear seats heated. This thing's got all the options checked off the list. 2,900 miles since it's been done. It's really an amazing Bronco. Go to volocars.com where you can see over 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this Bronco right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So the fit and finish is amazing. It's all metal. There's no rust in this vehicle at all. It fits straight, has the stock hood with the little like hood scoop and upwards indentation. Fender is excellent. All the metal is excellent. It's called Boxwood green. It has one little stain here. Something must have ran out here. It's a little discolored. There's no rust. Absolutely straight. Yeah, the gaps. And for an old Bronco door, it opens and closes so nicely. Quarter panels, I think, are new. They're all clean metal. And you know what's cool? I was just going through the videos. I must have 20, 25 videos. They would send them a Friday update of the progress of the build. It was a complete body off the frame. All of this clean metal with pristine body work. All the gaps are straight, square, no rust, no damage, no issues. All the body is just mint. This side's just as nice. The door opens so easily, shuts so easily. For an old Bronco, that's amazing. So the body and paint, killer. Beautiful color, very vintage. I like it a lot. All the trim, the sport emblems, mirrors. Well, mirrors are probably a reproduction. You got some little freckles in the chrome on the mirror. All this is show quality chrome, has some billet hinges. Lenses are all new. Bumpers are beautiful. They're new. The bezels, looks like LED headlights. The Ford emblems, all of that was replaced. All of the glass was replaced, the seals, the gaskets, and it was all done properly. This is what they do. The windows are power. We'll demonstrate that in a little bit, but all new glass. Check out the pictures on our website. It has a tan canvas convertible top. It's a folding top that you can also remove. Here's the hardware. They got it to fit and seal very good. And then the actual top is just folded up right here. The plastic windows are tinted. It's on some 17-inch, I believe they are. Wheels, 33 by 12.5 by 15. They're 15-inch wheels with some all-terrain BFGoodrich tires. Beautiful shape. Lenses, bumper, all redone. Stainless handle, opens, pulls out like that. Stainless license plate frame with a backup camera, I see. So yeah, the outside of the truck is in amazing condition. Let's open it up. We're just getting started. All right, again, the stainless handle swings open. All the hardware mechanisms, it was all replaced. Here's part of the convertible top. Like I said, it's a tinted plastic windows. It's a vinyl. I thought it was a canvas, but it's a tan vinyl color. Has the optional stereo system, has the kicker, subwoofer box, and then the speakers. Retractable shoulder belts for the kids in the back or people in the back. Has the nice seat. You can see the whole inside was sprayed with bed liner, even behind the side panels. It's all sprayed real nice, custom diamond stitched side panels. Yeah, let's show you the interior. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the videos are posted. And I'm going to open the door and demonstrate. It has LED lights inside, which you can't really see right now. All modern technology. See the window crank? Power windows in a Bronco. How cool is that? Look how nicely they work as well. 2,900 miles since the truck was built. We acquired this from the people that commissioned the build. They're car collectors. So all new modern wiring system throughout, and it's all demonstrated in their videos. The whole dash is painted nicely. All the knobs are redone. It has vintage air system. Here's the vents neatly installed. Upholstered dash pad. Nicely refinished everywhere you look. LED lights, kick panel speakers. Nice Bronco rubber mat, fits beautifully. It's a twin stick, Wild Horse ink. Twin sticks, there's a high and a low. So here we've got cup holders. Here's the heated seat controls. And then it's got a little USB plug in here. Metal console you can lock. It has a padded cushion here. So these are reclining sports seats. It was extra for the diamond stitched upholstery, which is used on the seats and side panels. Also retractable seat belts, so 4 people each get a retractable belt. I mean, you can see the back seat is upholstered to match, and again, all sprayed in the bed liner. The side panels, that was optional. And then they call this the family roll cage. This was optional as well. It's not in anybody's way, but it is a pretty substantial roll cage. Makes the truck handle better, doesn't twist as much, and is safer. Also optional polished tilt wheel with a walnut steering wheel. And then up above, this is an upgraded wiper system, much more compact than the original. Looks like it has a mirror with some functions on it. I don't know if it's a light or what, but lots of cool upgrades throughout this truck. That's kind of what their specialty is, to make these old trucks modern. On their website, they've sold to several celebrities. Have had them build their trucks for them. So they come with a 302, but this has the optional 347 stroker motor, making 410 horsepower. It's a crate motor. It bought new, is over about 10 grand. Has aluminum heads, aluminum intake. $3,200 upgrade for the fuel injection system. It's a nice open element air cleaner, a billet electronic ignition system with Ford racing wires. It has headers that are wrapped with the heat wrap that keeps the heat going out instead of into the engine compartment. And look how nice the engine compartment is. Every square inch of metal is painted or bed lined. It has struts instead of the hinges. Battery secured. It's an Optima gel cell battery. The front of the motor has a RAB or RAB front runner system with the billet brackets and serpentine belt and alternator and mini AC compressor. And then the radiator itself is aluminum with electric fan. Okay, this is for the power steering. It looks like a Hydro Boost power steering and power brake system here. Willwood master cylinder. And check out the inner fenders too, that mesh, that's pretty cool. I've never seen that idea before. So beautiful, clean, spotless engine compartment, 410 horsepower, air conditioned, power steering, power brakes. It's got everything you need, which Michael's going to demonstrate why you need it, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, got a beautiful build on this Bronco. I'm absolutely in love. Our cameraman Nico's absolutely in love. I sent pictures to a couple people. They're all in love. They really don't get any better than this. Very impressed. 347 stroker under the hood. This is a meticulous build. I just can't get over the quality, the fit, the finish, everything about that. And then they did tasteful things to it to make it more drivable as well. For example, automatic overdrive transmission is a very nice upgrade. Also has things like a tilt steering wheel and a Bluetooth radio with hands-free capabilities. We do have the air conditioner on right now. It's just loaded to the gills. Our shop went over the truck top to bottom. We did a few small things. We had a service bill of about $2,100 on it. That was including detail, which went into most of this, just getting it in pristine condition. But it runs and drives fantastic, and yeah, just a great experience overall. Got in and just turned the key. She fired right up. Runs nice and smooth and seems to have good power so far. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to highway speeds with absolutely no problem. I was about halfway in the throttle. Has more than adequate power. Nice tight revving motor. Yeah, fantastic. Absolutely. Get on our webpage. Check out the pictures of the undercarriage on this one. You guys can see how nice and smooth it is riding for a Bronco. That's because there are many upgrades on the underside, and it's a very attractive underside as well. So yeah, I don't even know what else to say. The seats are comfortable and the gauges are easy to read. It's not bouncing all over the place like you would really think, or like they typically do. So just a really phenomenal experience. Top quality restoration here. Check out all the details at volocars.com and give one of our sales guys a call if you want to come test drive it for yourself.
So there'll be more specs on the website. I'm still learning about this truck, but again, it was built by Bronco experts. They've got the suspension and everything dialed in. Obviously has a lift kit on it, has a whole stack of leafs in those back springs, Bilstein gas shocks. I mean, all of the entire suspension, steering, all new. Bilstein shocks in front as well. The springs, all of it's new. I'm sure it's all upgraded. Front and rear differentials are rebuilt. Has a stainless steel exhaust system. It's a custom. It's either a stainless or aluminum fuel tank, but it's all been replaced. Body was off the frame. The whole chassis completely restored. It has a Willwood disc brake system, and again, you can upgrade to 6-piston front calipers, which you get on some real high-performance cars. This has it. It seemed like wherever there was an upgrade, the owner opted for it. So I will post a little more information on the underside. It's all clean metal, also sprayed with the bed liner. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. It has a new crate overdrive automatic transmission, the Ford transmission as well. That was like $6,900. It was new, not used or rebuilt. It does have a twin stick, whatever you call it, transfer case in there. And again, the differentials are rebuilt. Everything's rebuilt or new under there. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Bronco home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.